Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's lesson, I want to talk to you guys about one of the elements of art, and that is called lines. Now, lines are very important when it comes to art because lines help create all of our pictures. If we didn't have lines, then we wouldn't be able to see where our pictures are. Now, the cool thing about lines is that lines come in all sorts of different shapes and sizes, and they can be go all sorts of different ways. So we can have simple lines that go straight across like this, and we can call those horizontal lines. We can draw lines that go up and down. We call these vertical. We can make diagonal lines that go off to the side at an angle. Our lines can be straight like this, or our lines can be wavy. We can have zigzag lines. We can make bumpy lines. We can make really wavy and tall curly lines. Our lines can be curly like this. We can make spiral lines. We can even make broken lines that have spaces in between them. There's so many different ways to make lines. You can do anything. And the cool thing about a line is a line always kind of starts off with just a little dot. And what you do is you just take that dot wherever you want to and you turn it into anything. So for our project today, we're going to do something that has a little bit of a Thanksgiving feel, and we're going to be making a turkey using all of our lines. So the things you're going to need are a piece of paper. You're going to need something to draw with, and then you're going to want to use something to color with. Now, I'm going to use a permanent marker just so you guys can see this a little better, but if I were you, I would stick with something such as a pencil or something like that. Now, what I want you guys to do is we're going to draw a turkey, and there's so many different ways to draw it. You can draw it however you want to, but I'm just going to make a real simple turkey for you guys. So to start off with our turkey, we're going to begin right here, and we're going to make the eyes. I like to start off with two oval or circle shapes right here. So I'm going to draw one here, and then let's put another one right here, side by side. Next, we're going to add two little black dots in there for the pupils. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up for the beak. And then right here next to the beak, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve down, and then it's going to come back up. That's just going to be for like the little gobble. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up. Put a couple little bumps up here for some feathers. And then another little line that's going to come down here. Now, starting out here, we want to make the body and the wings. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come out like this, and then another one right here that's going to come out. I'm going to add some bumpy lines on here for the feathers. And then starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to curve around, and then it's going to come back up here for the body of our turkey. Now, for the legs, I'm going to draw two lines down here, and then one line right in the center. Then to draw the feet, I'm just going to draw a line that goes out and comes back. Another one here. And then I'll put one more right here that goes all the way back to the leg. Next, starting here, I'm going to make one that goes out and comes back. Do one more here. And then another one that's just going to go right back to here. Then you can add some details on your turkey. You can give your turkey eyebrows. You can give them some little dots for a nose, whatever you want to do. The next thing that I want to work on, though, is I want to add some of the feathers back here. Now, to draw the feathers, I'm going to start up here by the wings. And what I want to do is I'm just going to make a line that goes out, and then it's going to curve back like this. Let's make another one. I'm going to go out nice and tall, and then I'm going to curve back. You can just see that they're a nice big round bump, kind of like a skinny oval. You want to continue this going all the way around your turkey. Now, as you get towards the top, they're going to come up and then down like this. But then you're just going to continue bringing these all the way around. So I'm going to put one here, and then I'll put one more big one right here. So you can see that I've got 3 feathers on this side, and on this side 3 on this, and then 1 in the middle for a total of 7 feathers. Now, the next step, once you're done with this, is you want to start adding some lines in each of these feathers. Now, we talked about some of those different lines that we can add. We've got our spiral lines, our horizontal and vertical lines, wavy lines, curly, bumpy, zigzag, whatever you guys want to use. So I want to fill up my turkey's feathers with some different lines. So you can do lots of different things. You can add zigzag lines in here. You can add wavy lines. You can do whatever you want. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up all of my turkey's feathers with these lines. You can do lines that go up and down. You could do diagonal lines. You could do spiral lines or kind of really curly, wavy lines. We can do bumpy lines. You could even do some different broken lines in here. Lots of different things you can do, and you don't have to just do what I did. You guys can add whatever you want to. Now, once you're done with that, I would like you to take some things to color with. You can use crayons, markers, colored pencils, whatever you guys want to, but go ahead and color your turkey. And there you go, there is your line design turkey picture. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.